Okay, in this video lesson, we are going to discuss about the electron dot diagrams, blocks, and group properties. For the first lesson in this week, we are going to discuss about the electron dot diagrams or the Lewis dot notation. Okay, objectives: identify the number of valence electrons of an element using the periodic table, appreciate the importance of electron dot diagrams in predicting chemical bonding, and illustrate electron dot diagrams or the Lewis structures for selected elements correctly. For activity, let us answer these questions. The small negative particle is found around the nucleus of an atom. Okay, that is electron. The center part of an atom that contains protons and neutrons. Okay, nucleus. The electrons found in the outermost shell, the ones used for bonding, valence electron. The letter or letters used to represent an element, example H for hydrogen. Okay, element symbol or the chemical symbol of the element. A simple drawing that shows only the valence electrons of an atom, the electron dot diagram or the Lewis dot structure. The maximum number of valence electrons most atoms need to be stable. Okay, 8. The scientists after whom the electron dot structures are named, Gilbert Lewis. Okay, the Lewis dot diagrams. Yan, makikita nyo po dito kung ilan yung tuldok niya dun sa labas, yun ang tinatawag natin na valence electron. Kaya ng hydrogen, nasa group 1A siya. So, 1 valence electron. Lithium, 1 valence electron ang lithium. Beryllium, 2. And then boron, 3. Carbon, 4. Nasa 4 valence electron. Yun, yung tuldok po dyan sa palibot, yan nire-represent niyan yung valence electrons, yung pinakalabas. So electron dot diagrams are simply drawings that show only the valence electrons or the electrons in the outermost energy level or the outermost shell of an atom. They help us visualize how atom bond or interact with each other. Paano ba siya magkakaroon ng chemical reaction? So mabivisualize natin using the dot notation. These diagrams are also called Lewis dot structures, named after American chemist Gilbert Lewis. So why do we use the dot notation? Number 1, to see bonding patterns. They make it easy to predict whether an atom gain, loss, or share electrons. To simplify atom representation, we don't need to draw all the electrons, just the outer ones. To understand stability, for an atom to become stable, it needs 8 valence electron. So atoms try to have a full outer shell, usually the 8 valence electron, known as the octet rule. So parts of an electron dot diagram. Number 1, element symbol or the chemical symbol of an element. Placed in the center represents the atom's nucleus and inner electrons. Dots around the symbol represent the valence electron, up to 2 dots per side. So dalawang dots lang po per side kung 4 na side dyan, top, bottom, left, and right. Electrons are placed one at a time around the symbol before pairing. So kung lalagay tayo ng dot, tig-iisa muna paikot bago tayo magkakaroon ng pairing. Example, hydrogen, it has 1 valence electron, may isang tuldok siya. Oxygen has 6 valence electron, ayan, 6 ang kanyang tuldok. So steps in Lewis diagram. Okay, number 1, find the symbols of the symbol of the element or the chemical symbol. Determine the number of valence electron using the periodic table or the group number, because the group number identify the number of valence electron. Place dots around the symbol 1 on each side before pairing. So tig-iisang tuldok muna paikot. Example, carbon, group 14, 4 ang kanyang valence electron. Ayan, may 4 siyang tuldok paikot. How they show bonding? So electron dot diagrams help us predict ionic bond. Electrons are transferred. Pag sinabing ionic bond, nakakabuo siya ng ion. Kumbaga umaalis yung electron from isa-isa, naglulus, yung isa naman nagigain. So naging siyang ionic bond kasi nagiging ion. Yung isa nagiging positive or cation, yung isa naman nagiging negative. For example, itong sodium sa chlorine. Ang chlorine 7 ang kanyang valence electron, so kulang siya ng isa bago maging stable. Si sodium naman 11, may isa siyang sobra. So yung sunod niya na inner na shell next to the valence shell, may 8 na. So sobra ibibigay niya yung dito sa kabila. Giving, okay, ionic. Kumbaga nagbigay itong sodium, nawalan siya ng isa, kaya naging siyang cation, naging siyang positive ion. Ito namang chlorine, nag-gain ng isang electron, so naging siyang anion or negative ion. Kaya tinatawag na ionic, giving off and receiving of electron. Okay, covalent bonds, electrons are shared. Ito naman sa covalent, kumbaga sharing of electrons. Kagaya nitong sa H2O, sa tubig, tingnan natin, oxygen has 6 valence electron. Each hydrogen has 1. So ayan, kung titignan natin, may 6. So ang oxygen kulang ng 2 electron para maging stable. Ang hydrogen naman, ang need niya is 2 lang para maging stable kasi isa lang naman ang kanyang shell. So hanggang 2 lang ang kaya niya. So ito, mag-sharing sila. Itong sa hydrogen, i-share niya, hindi niya ibibigay kasi mawawala na siya. Ito naman kay oxygen sa labas, i-share niya. Kaya lang, naging stable na yung isang hydrogen pero si oxygen, 7 pa lang. Kulang pa ng isa. So it needs another sharing sa kabila. Kaya in order the oxygen to become stable, kailangan niya ng 2 hydrogen. Kaya nga ang chemical formula ng water ay H2O, meaning 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So maximum of 8 valence electrons shown except for hydrogen and helium. So yan lang yung 2 element na hanggang 2 lang ang kaya nilang electron. Okay na, ano na siya, stable na kasi 2 lang naman talaga ang kaya niya kasi isa lang ang kanyang period. Sa period 1 siya, isa lang ang kanyang shell. So that's go on 4 sides, top, right, bottom, left. Place that singly before pairing. Use the periodic table to find valence electrons quickly. Okay, sagutan natin ito. How do electron dot diagram show? So it only valence electrons. So who introduced the concept of Lewis dot structure? Okay, that's Gilbert Lewis. How many valence electrons does carbon have? Okay, 4. In an electron dot diagram, where are dots placed first? On one each side before pairing. Okay, which element has full set of 8 valence electron? Okay, neon. What type of bond is shown when electrons are shared? So, nag-sharing, that is covalent. Which elements that diagram will have only 1 dot? Okay, that is hydrogen. In water molecule, how many total valence electrons are shown? So, 10 yun. Kasi 6 yung paikot dun sa oxygen. And then, tig-isa lang yung hydrogen. So, 8 lang dapat. Kaya lang nagkaroon po ng sharing in each side. So, nag-isang 10. So, which group in the periodic table contains elements with 7 valence electron? That is group 17. What is the maximum number of valence electrons shown in a Lewis dot diagram? Okay, 8. Okay, sampulan natin itong gawa ng electron dot diagram. Okay, sodium, tingnan natin. Ang sodium is 11. So, nasa period 3 siya. So, 3 ang kanyang shell or yung main energy level. So, yung pinaka-last shell niya, valence shell, is isa ang laman. Isa ang valence. Kaya yan ang kanyang electron dot diagram. Okay, next, oxygen. So, 6. So, nag-isa muna tayong tig-tuldok, tig-isa, and then, bago mag-pairing. And then, chlorine, 7. Kulang ng isa bago maging stable. And carbon, 4. Magnesium, 2.